my dog doing? Look at him. Look at my dog, Greek. What are you doing? Hey! Dude, he's freaking out when you do that. He's freaking out, bro.
Rolling that in down, bro. Whoa! Come on, boy. Let's get hunting, boy. Get the gun in, bro. Whoa! Let's go. Come in there, boy. Come on in.
Oh my god.
Whoa!
Okay, dude, you can still enroll. It's okay, dude. Dude, you can still enroll, man. Dude, you can still go back.
Shut the fuck up.
He's triggered, guys! He's triggered! Guys, I think I triggered him! Hey, dude, you can still go back to school, it's okay, dude!
I think it's worse.
I would wait for so long. People! Fucking spectating. Fucking learn something.
That's okay, that's okay. Did I hit a sensitive chord, Mr. IT? Yeah, hello, sir. My computer will not turn on, sir. Could you please help me, please? Ah! Get fucked! Get fucked! Hey, sir. Hey, sir, Mr. IT. You can't move on now. I think you're dead.
Why'd you fucking T-game? I fucking T-K'd a top player. Because you T-K'd.
A one view video. Alright, we're gonna type in pizza. And we're gonna go to last hour. Here we go. What?
Hello, Gordon Ramsay here. Today I will show you how to cook classic style Jew.
What the fuck?
Do you think that Hey, what's up?
Why'd you point the camera at me?
Oh, I'm streaming.
For what?
It's what I do, it's my job.
Oh, okay.
Is that okay, or can I?
Yeah, we gotta complain that you're recording little kids.
No, I've literally just been sitting here the whole time. Or, I mean, I went to daycare and then I've been sitting here.
We just try not to record kids because parents don't like that.
Yeah, sure, yeah, cool.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Okay.
Okay, so I really just Q-sniped you because I wanted to ask you a question. I saw this Twitch clip and you said you were thick, alright?
Yeah.
You said, okay, so do you have like premium snap or no?
Not right now. Especially with your name.
Alright, man, wait, so you're thick though?
Well, I can't confirm or deny any of my premium Snapchats due to your name, sir.
Alright, take it easy, brother. Just let me know if you get it.
She's thick as a brick.
Hey, talk to you guys later. That's all I wanted to know.
Alright, understandable. That's collusion.
What the fuck, man?
Whoa.
What a fucking god.
What the?
Oh, they're right there. Look,
Wow, that you got. They didn't see it? Oh shit.
Oh, no. Although I would say that you are like the safest option because you seem like a friendly person.
I don't want to
feel
be
like...
safe. I like living life dangerously, mate.
Okay, well then get a little more dangerous.
I never get allowance after 21. Money. I was just kidding! No! I was kidding!
What? Not satisfied?
Are they better with? Are they better than younger girls?
Oh, I don't need to restart.
Yes,
Don't need to say that again.
Mate, of course, man. Which experience do you want me to talk about? The first, second, third, fourth, or fifth?
Well, I don't know, Greek. Whatever one you want to share.
Mate, she span on me like a frisbee, mate. She went quack, 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 like a duck, mate.
Wow.
Sucked me dry.
Done.
I couldn't believe it.
All right, let's take a vote. Rice gum.
Guac, 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 huh? Alright. Check out my park job, baby. That's what I do. I take up 3 spots.
What?
That's what I do.
Oh my god. Jesus fuck.
I don't even have fucking shoes
Oh
on,
my
bro.
fucking
I'm
god.
such an idiot.
What a
Holy shit.
fucking idiot.
I don't even have shoes on, dude.
Oh my god.
Okay,
Jesus
here we go.
Christ. Someone should go shit on his car.
Hello? What do we do? We're stuck.
Dude, I need this last, please, man, I need it.
What do you need? Do you just need to win?
Yeah, for the fucking mission.
Are you serious?
I'm not kidding. Been trying for hours.
I only have 8 kills. This is a pathetic game for me. Come on out here, dude. Just come on out. Just come on out, dude. Get your mission. You know what I'm saying? Let me go out in style, though. Look at this. I paid money, so I don't gotta do any missions. I'm just owning.
I love you.
I love you too, dude.
You're amazing.
GG.
Oh my god, Choco Taco? I feel bad now.
What's up, dude? You feel you should feel great, dude. My chat, you're happy, dude. Bible thumps in the chat. Dude. Oh my god.
You're amazing.
Congrats, dude, on your mission. Oh my god.
Rolling! I can blast this guy. 65% chance to hit. Oh my
Still moving.
god.
I'm under fire! Cover the flags!
/AMilonakis, I'm gonna follow her. Twitch.tv.
What the fuck?
Oh fuck! I said her. That was. It wasn't. Yeah, that wasn't on purpose.
Whoa, whoa.
God damn it!
Shots fired.
No. That was not on purpose. Okay,
I'm glad you lost 20K.
Oh, not like chill with Candyland, and I was gonna chill with a lot of people from your show, but I didn't chill with any of them.
Well,
so
currently,
there's
I'm
that.
actually trying to get on the show. We're talking here very soon. Is Jessica Negri? Is who I'm. Yeah. Oh,
What the fuck did you just call me?
Greek. Relax. It's her last name. Greek.
Oh, okay.
Relax, please. Come on, bro. Jesus.
That girl has a pretty big personality too, right?
She's got a great personality, and this is what which is, you know, she's great. We've been DMing for the last few days, and well, not like last actually.
Nu hängde livet allt på en tråd. Här har vi snickerboa. In med handgranaten bland trägubbarna. Pass på!
Europe is a silly place. I
tried this one chili and it set my mouth on fire and I had to drink a 2-liter of Mountain Dew.
I like how he moves back to like wait to see who's laughing.
This on stream. Say this. Hey, Richard, say nice hat. He said nice hat.
Stop.
Oh, got him. Yo, Jordan, did you hear that? Hey, Mom. Come, what? I said that. Lol. Fucking cunt. Get it.
Man, I've stole a lot from Twitch and they don't even fucking know. Where's the pillow I stole? There it is! Look! I think Celeste sat on this.
I'm eating, man.
Oh! Fuck yeah! Woo!
I'm fucking eating, dude. Alright, hold on.
Drop it.
Thank you.